When it comes to the passive income, the first thing that comes to our mind is if we could make money without doing anything, or make money even when we are sleeping or enjoying vacations to our favorite place with our friends and family, binge watching Netflix or reading our favorite bestseller books, and our account during this time keeps growing. Well, you might be surprised to hear that with the exception of not doing anything and making money, all of the rest is actually possible, and in this video I will show you the 5 most popular passive income strategies with the help of which you can create multiple streams of income and gain financial independence. The advantages of generating multiple streams of passive income are that you don't have to live paycheck to paycheck and you can be anywhere in the world and continue earning online with these methods without putting much of an effort which you might have to put into your primary job. Before deep diving into these passive income sources, it is important to reach a consensus on what passive income is. While different people define it in a different ways, perhaps the easiest way to define passive income is a strategy in which you don't have to trade your time for money. However, generating passive income stream requires putting an active work upfront that later on keeps generating the income again and again without putting any additional effort. Now that we are clear about what passive income is, here are the 5 most popular methods to generate passive income online. The first one is creating and selling digital products. Digital products include downloadable files, templates, PDFs, ebooks, audio or video files, and even online courses are also a form of digital products, which we will discuss in a minute. But the advantages of selling digital products online is that you can sell as many as you want or your customer desires. You don't need raw material to create these products and ship them to your customers like physical products. Everything in this case happens digitally and automatically. You don't have to create that product again and again. For example, if you create an ebook or calendar template, you can sell as many copies of these without putting in any additional effort. This is why it is called passive income, and the good part is that it is easily scalable. Digital products have high profit margins. They don't require repeat manufacturing and no physical storage is required. You can sell your digital products on websites like Etsy, Creative Fabrica, and Spring. Although Creative Fabrica is recommended and the link is in the description. Creating and selling online courses is also a kind of a digital product, but it has its own niche audience and separate selling platforms. So you don't have to be an expert to create a course. You can do online research on the topic and organize that info in a logical sequence for your audience to consume. Even if your course doesn't have any new thing, people would still buy that course as you are providing them the value in terms of rearranging the information in a logical sequence, which is saving them time. Although it requires a huge effort to research the topic and create a course, however, once you are done, it would most likely be the biggest source of your online passive income. You can join the online courses websites like Teachable, Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera for creating the online courses. The link to these sources are also mentioned in the description below. Another most popular online income method is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is when you promote a third-party product to your audience, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, which is usually a specific percentage of the product price. This all happens automatically, and your sale is tracked by an affiliate link, which is given to you when you join the product affiliate program. Passive income through affiliate marketing becomes even more profitable when you promote product that offers a recurring commission or sub-affiliate or a second-tier affiliate commissions. The recurring commission is offered by online services that are subscription-based. When you send them the customer, not only you are being rewarded with the instant affiliate commission, but whenever that customer renews their subscription, you are given a certain percentage of the subscription service also. In other words, you keep getting commission for sending one customer monthly till that time the customer keeps renewing the subscription. Similarly, in a sub-affiliate or a second-tier affiliate program, in addition to earning the affiliate commission from the customer you send, you would also earn a small percentage of the affiliates that have joined their affiliate program through your referral link. The popular affiliate partners includes the Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. You can also find affiliate programs in your niche by searching the Google with your niche word followed by the word affiliate. Running a successful affiliate business requires an audience that you can generate through blogging, YouTube, or by doing social media marketing on Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. Another way of doing affiliate marketing is through email marketing, in which you grow an email list and then recommend your affiliate products to your email subscribers. For this purpose, you can use websites like GetResponse, ConvertKit, ClickFunnels, and System.io. You can check out their links in the description below. If you're someone who enjoys writing, then you can start a blog on a niche of your interest, but make sure it is profitable too. With the help of a blog, you can earn passively by promoting your products such as courses, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and even advertising or AdSense. When your blog starts to get traction, you can get sponsors from the brands in your niche also. Building a blog, however, needs a lot of effort in terms of buying a domain and hosting, installing themes and plugins, doing SEO, and writing articles. This requires a certain amount of money to be invested. If you're interested in starting a blog, you can check out this video shown in the card now. Link is also given in the description below. And if you don't want to write articles, you can hire freelance writers from sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Link to these also in the description below. If you don't enjoy writing and you are not shy of facing a camera, then you can start a YouTube channel and cover a specific topic in that channel. The advantages of starting a YouTube channel over blogging is that it is easy and it is also free. Although YouTube cuts a share from your income, where you get 55% of the income and YouTube gets 45% of the share from your AdSense income, you can grow your YouTube channel faster than a blog and also earn money through affiliate links, which you can share in the description of your video. You can also get sponsored deals and you can also promote your product on your channel. While there are tons and tons of methods to generate the passive income online, these are the most popular ways of making money online. If you enjoy this video, do give it a like and share it with your friends and families who might also be thinking of an online business. Anyways, thanks for watching till the end.